Today I've got another recipe which is palak chicken or spinach chicken. This is very healthy, and sit tight, we'll explain how to do this. Before we start this recipe, please like and put a small comment, say Jai Sri Ram, Radhe Radhe or Jai Hanuman. So I welcome to you all in Jai Sri Kadai Katha. So you can see how beautiful this spinach chicken, healthy. We are into Fit India movement, so please encourage this channel and we'll show you how to make this healthy spinach chicken. And please share with your families and friends and make it and let me know how you liked it. So see how beautiful, wonderful it is looking. So if you want to make the same recipe, so beautiful, so healthy, please just follow the recipe, the quantity and all the ingredient list. Just follow and make it. And here we have taken 600 gram of chicken, 140 gram of spinach, onion 100 grams, tomato 150 gram, ginger 15 gram, and garlic 12 gram. So let's start making this chicken. So I have taken cold pressed mustard oil, which is very healthy. We have to take all the between three oil seeds. One is mustard, another is peanut, and third one is, you have to tell me in the comment. Okay, we have got three different seeds oil, so we have to use one of those. This oil seeds oil is very healthy. And I have taken cumin seeds. You can see how beautifully it is crackling. I put 2 red chili whole, allowing it to crispy and bright red color. Once that is done, I'll put all the whole garam masala like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and bay leaves and stir it. And put the onion. Onion to be sauteed till light brown before golden, not fully golden color. See, the color it has reached is this much, should not cook more than this. Then put ginger garlic paste made with the quantity of ingredients, that is 15 gram of ginger, 12 gram of garlic, and saute it along for 2 to 3 minutes. When it comes in this position, put tomato and saute it along with the onion, ginger garlic paste, and cover it. And this tomato will not ooze out water unless you add salt. After putting the salt, I put the lid. After 3-4 minutes, I'll remove it. So the chicken quantity is 600 gram, spinach is 140 grams, and I'll remove the lid. I'll add coriander powder 1 teaspoon, that is 2 half spoons teaspoons. 1 cumin powder, that is 1 by 2 cumin powder. Chili powder I'll be putting 1 by 2 spoon, that is 1 teaspoon. Red chili, that is Kashmiri red chili, is 1.5 teaspoon. Turmeric 1 by 2 teaspoon. When I am showing you 1, that is nothing but half of teaspoon. When you are putting 2, it will become 1 teaspoon. So that is the quantity. And I'll add the chicken, which is curry cut, washed, and put in a strainer. Then add it to this masala what I made. Cook it. We have to cook this for 25 minutes. In between, after 15 minutes, we'll be adding water. Before that, we'll be adding green chili and spinach. So here we did not marinate the chicken with any of the ingredient. This is totally different recipe altogether. So cover it for 5 minutes. You can see water still not yet come from the chicken. I'm seeing that whether down is clear or not at the base of the kadai. Now you can see water has come out from the chicken. This is not separately added. In this stage, this is 15 minutes of cooking time. After 15 minutes, this is completed 15 minutes. In this stage, we'll adjust the seasoning. The salt was little less, so added little more salt. Garam masala powder 1 by 2 teaspoon. Then we'll add spinach, green chili and spinach. Then cook it for another 10 minutes. And with this we'll put little water also, because quantity of water is nothing is there. So 100 ml, not more, 100 ml, half, less than half water. So I'm putting all the spinach, which is 140 grams spinach, and stir it along with the chicken. You can see there is no water at all. What all water has come, it is come from the chicken. In this stage, will be adding some water. That is 100 ml, not more than that. One cup is 250 ml, half is 125, little less than half, and we'll cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes. Once done, we'll remove and do the plating. You can see how beautiful the oil has come in towards the sides of the pan. Until this has reached this stage, you should not remove the chicken. You have to ensure that the chicken is cooked by taking a piece of bite and letting just finding out how tender it is. I have taken rice. It should be eaten with rice or roti, anything. So we are eating this in the lunch with the rice. You can see how beautiful the gravy looks. And this is very very thin gravy, not a thick gravy. And this is so tasty, so amazing. I'm not able to explain. Please make it once and please come back and give a comment how you liked it, how you made it. I would like to hear from you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. And recipe is here. Any doubt, you can follow the recipe as well. Bye bye for now.